Hi boys and girls. This week Miss Mendoza and I are going to talk and review a little bit about what we did in math. And this week we did 3 main lessons, and we did one more and one less. We did greater than, less than, and equal to, and we also did ordinal numbers. Yes. So what we need you to do is get a paper and a pencil so you can do the work with us. Go ahead, we'll wait. Are you ready? So the first thing that we're going to talk about is one more and one less. So as you remember in class, we did our 100 chart, and we used a cube or something to help us keep track of our numbers. Now I want you to use this 100 chart that I have with me, and you'll see that it's a little covered up, but we're just going to be focusing on the top. So I am thinking of a number that is less than 10. So I'm going to focus on the number 10 over here. And if I know that it's less, then it has to be from the number 9 down, because it's less than 10. My number's less than 10, and it's between 4 and 6. So it's between 4 and 6. Go ahead and on your paper write what my mystery number is. Miss Mendoza is thinking. Let's see what she got. 5? It is 5. Very good. Yay. Miss Mendoza knew that the number between 4, my friends, and 6 was 5. So very good job. Now we're going to do one more example. And this time I want you to focus on the number, sorry boys and girls, the number 12. And my number is 2 more than 12. 2 more than 12. So Miss Mendoza is thinking. I'm going to show you how I did it. I started on the number 12, and since it said 2 more, I'm going to move 2 spots. 1, 2. I ended up on the number 14. Let's see if Miss Mendoza got the same.
I did! Yay!
Miss Mendoza, do you want to say how you got the 14?
Well, I put 12 in my head, and I know I had to count on 2 more.
Right.
So I thought 12, 13, 14. So I got to 14.
That was very similar to me. So she plugged 12 in her brain and went out, counted up 2. I used my chart, or we could use our number line, and I counted up 2 as well. So that was a little practice on one more, one less, and even numbers that are in between.
Okay. All right, the next thing we went over was comparing numbers. And we used greater than, like 8 is greater than 3. We also did less than, so 7 is less than 9. And then we did equal to, or the same as. So 4 is equal to 4. So those are the signs.
Now,
okay, we have 13, 17. Now, Mrs. Fisher, can you tell me if 13 is greater than 17? Is 13 less than 17? Or is 13 equal to 17?
Well, I know that 13 and 17 are not the same number, so equal to does not make sense to me. And now I'm just going to compare. Well, I could draw circles to compare, so I can make 13 and 17, but that might take me a while. So I'm going to look at my 100 chart, or I can look at my number line, and I know that 13 comes before 17. So 13 is less than 17. I look up here. 13 is less than 17. And remember to practice saying it when you write it.
Good job.
And the last one, boys and girls, that we're going to talk about today is ordinal numbers. Now, ordinal numbers tell us the order. That's how I remember it. Ordinal numbers sound like order. So what we're going to do is I need you to draw a triangle, a square, a circle, and a rectangle in that order. And I'll show you so you remember. So make a triangle, a square, a circle, and a rectangle. And keep it in that order.
Now that you have a triangle, a square, a circle, and a rectangle, the first shape that you're going to have or to write down is the triangle. So, oh yeah, that would be awesome. Thanks. See? Mrs. Fisher helps me.
Helping buddies.
First, I'm going to write first like that. And I remember I put a 1 because that's the number, and then the st because that's the ending of first when you write ordinal word. So go ahead and do the rest. So what would this be? First. What did you say? Did you say second?
You got it.
High five.
You're working hard. You're
Okay.
working hard.
So second, okay, that's a 2.
Mm-hmm.
All right, make sure your 2 is facing the right way too. Second.
N-D.
There
Very
you go.
good.
Yeah. Okay, so first, second, the circle would be third. Did you say third? You got it. 3 and then third.
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 R-D.
RD. And then the last, the rectangle would be fourth. That's right. 4 and then fourth. Did you get that? If you did, good job.
Great job. Great job, boys and
Nice
girls.
work.
All right, so please practice those ordinal numbers, comparing numbers, and one more and one less at home, and we will see you next week.